I'm Warren Attwell, and this is my installation for live performance systems. This is the time capsule, and this is the time crystal, which I'm going to insert into it.
2000, 2009, 2000, 2007, 2000.
Months, if not years, of planning are finally over. Britain is preparing to welcome the new millennium.
2000, 2005.
Confirmed reports of explosions at a number of locations, both on the London Underground, and buses have been targeted. And we're getting reports
of another. Can you explain a little bit what you're doing there?
So basically all I'm doing is moving my hand through the capsule, and there's an infrared sensor just detecting the actual distance from the bottom of the capsule, and it's moving through the years from 2010 at the outside of the capsule here to the far end of the decade, which was 2000. And then once we actually stop in place with our hand, after 2 seconds it will play back a message from that given year.
2000, 2000, 2000, 2000.
So this is Ben's recording. And then you're also able to record to the time capsule. There's some copper tracks just running along the bottom of it, so if you set your hand down on the bottom of it, then it'll actually let you record a message.
Can I take a look?
Yeah, just to a certain year, to the certain year you're actually at.
Okay, my name is Michael Barr, and this is the wrong ping pong, I think I'm going to call it. So there's just 6 piezoelectric microphones, contact microphones placed under the surface, and they're about where those pink markers are, and it senses. The computer then takes an input from the sensors and finds out which one was activated first, just time of arrival differences. So it's a bit of a game. You'll hear a sound in your headphones, and if it's in the very left-hand speaker or earphone, you'll go to that one. You try and hit that one, you just bounce it like that. If it's sort of mid, you hit that one, and if it's front left, you hit that one. Same on the right side, that's the full right hand side, mid right and front right. So it's just, so you'll hear the noise, and if you hit the wrong one, you'll hear a buzzy noise, and if you get the right one, you'll hear a ting, like a bell. So that's pretty much my project.
Okay. Huh, doing this with some force. It's good. I gotta get one more correct one here. Got it.
I'm Shannon. It's just artificial plant, just with some sensors attached to it, which trigger different samples relating to climate change and just the sounds of rainforest and wildlife and stuff we get there. It's like,
there is no more important problem facing the world than the problem of carbon emissions. And the rainforests are the major source.
Why destroy ancient forests for wood and paper when it could all come from responsibly logged timber?
There is no more important.
An area of ancient forest the size of a football field is destroyed every 2 seconds. 24 hours a day. Why destroy ancient forests for wood and paper? An area of ancient forest the size of a football field is destroyed.
Hello, my name is James Reid, and this is my installation. It's called Disco Battle. The idea is two people battle against each other in a disco, and whoever dances more wins. So I'll show you. This is player 1. This is the control screen. It does all of. It sets up the songs and starts them playing and things. See the instructions here. Hit enter to choose song. Brings up a list of the songs you can choose. There's just a few in there, but you can add your own if you like. Let's choose. Take that. So take that. Open that up. Choose your intensity level. That's going to be how hard or how much you're going to need to move to register any sort of score. 9 being the highest level, so I think we'll set it to about 3. And then hit space and dance like you ain't never danced before. So
My name is Cherene, and this is the elevator. So do step inside with me if you want to. So it's a laptop running Maximus P. Arduino is controlling things, and there's pink fur and a wire, and yeah, it's all externally powered as well. And basically, it's a small sort of installation for very short and compulsory raves. So should we take it for a ride?
yeah, sure.
Door closing.
And there we are. That's basically it.
Excellent. Do you want to explain a little bit the technology?
Well, this is just it's a simple circuit that is connected whenever the door closes, and that initializes the sequence in Maximus P of the different samples and chops things up and plays things that way. It's interfaced with the Arduino, and yeah, it's really quite simple. It's quite a simple setup. Yep.
Hello, my name is Mathew, and my installation is installed in this area here. Basically what it is that I've divided the space up into areas, and depending on any movement in that area will depend on what sample is playing. So if I move, I can plug it into the inverter as well, and I have like a triggering a certain sample. Basically, I have a USB webcam running through Max. I use background subtraction to sense the movement, and then depending on which pixel has changed in the jitter matrix, will actuate that specific sample. So there are 100 possible areas in this space, but I'm only using 25 of them to trigger samples. They're panned so that the leftmost pixels come from the leftmost speaker right the way through center ones obviously in the center, and then the ones furthest to the right only come out the right speaker.